Determine the best spot to install your indoor SaveStation cabinet. Look for a central spot that is highly visible to the majority of people. To be accessible to all, you should install your cabinet so that the handle is 48 inches from the ground. Use a level to ensure it is straight. Mark to drill your pilot holes. Partially install the screws. Don't tighten yet, you'll hang the cabinet first. Mount your SaveStation on the screws. Screw tightly to the wall. Install your instructional poster close to the cabinet. Mount the 3D AED sign high enough so that it can be viewed from a distance. Open the cabinet and ensure the alarm is working. Place the AED in the cabinet and ensure the response kit is complete and attached to the AED. Be sure to register with Ready for Action to complete your monthly checks. Place stickers on entry doors to show there's an AED inside. Find your AED on the SaveStation YouTube channel and share broadly so everyone knows how to perform CPR and use your AED until medical help arrives. For any questions or support, please email us at info@savestation.com or give us a call at 1-833-728-7828.